clicking on the game shortcut and nothing is happening. If FC26 refuses to launch you from the desktop, then you are not alone. And yes, there is a fix. Let's get back in the game. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today, we are going to show you how to fix glitch in EA Sports FC26. The game won't launch via shortcut. Let's get started. Method 1. Check the system requirements. When FC26 is not launching on your PC via shortcut, first make sure your system meets the minimum requirements to run the game. Here are the minimum requirements for FC26. Check these out. You can check the system requirements from this link. The link is provided in the description below, so you can check out this from here. Method 2. Run as administrator. The next thing you can do is run the game as an administrator. To do so, right-click on the game shortcut. Next, select Show More Options. Open Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this game as an administrator. Click on Apply and then OK to save the changes. Now try to launch the game and check. Method 3. Try a different compatibility mode. Another thing you can do is change the compatibility mode. To do that, open the game properties. Then go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program in compatibility mode for the option. Select a Windows version and click on Apply, then on OK. Method 4. Verify the integrity of the game files. Missing or corrupted game files can also cause issues like this. So verify the game files. Here is how you can verify the integrity of the game files from Steam platform. Head to Steam library, right-click on the game and open its properties. Go to the Installed Files tab and click on the Verify the integrity of the game files. Wait till Steam verifies the game files and download the missing file or fix the corrupted game files. Once done, launch the game and check. Method 5. Launch the game through the game installation folder. The next thing you can do is try to launch the game from its installation folder directly and not from Steam and see if this helps. To do that, open Steam and then head to Library. Right-click on the game, go to Properties. Now select Installed Files. Now click on Browse. This should take you to the game installation folder. Try launching the game from here. If the error persists, move on to the next solution. Method 6. Repair, update or reinstall anti-cheat. Go to the installation location for FC26. Open the folder and then open the installer folder. Locate the EA anti-cheat folder. Now open it. Double-click on the EA anti-cheat installer. From here, select your game. Click on the repair option, then click on OK. Next, go to the location where the game is installed and select the folder. Then click on the select folder option. This will repair the anti-cheat. Next, click on update so that you can make sure everything is up to date. You can also select the uninstall option to uninstall the anti-cheat completely. Next, select the game from the drop-down menu and click on Install button to install the anti-cheat. It will also get reinstalled and when you try to run the game next time. Method 7. Delete program data. Press Windows plus R to launch the Run utility. Type this and hit enter or click on the OK button. Now open the EA desktop folder and see if that helps. Method 8. Troubleshoot the graphics drivers. The next thing you should do is troubleshoot your graphics driver. Right-click on the Windows search button and choose Device Manager. Go to the Display Adapters section and then expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver. Select the Update Driver option. Now click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option and follow the instructions provided on screen to download and install the latest driver. If updating graphics driver does not work, you can reinstall them. Expand the Display Adapter section and right-click on the graphics driver. Click on the Uninstall Device option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. After installation of the drivers, install them again. For the MD graphics driver, install the Radeon app, then run it. Similarly, for NVIDIA graphics drivers, install and run the GeForce Experience. You should visit the official websites of your graphics card manufacturer to update your graphics card drivers. These websites are linked in the description below, so you can find it out easily from there. Now download the latest drivers from the graphics card installed on your computer from these websites. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Once done, restart your PC. Then rerun the app to check for any updates. If any update is available, download and install them. Method 9. Run the game on a dedicated graphics card. If you have multiple GPUs for your system, then make sure to use the one for gaming, as this can tackle the graphics intensive tasks as well. So using the dedicated GPU for gaming can avoid issues like this. To do this, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. You should see two adapters listed here. One for your dedicated graphics card and one for your integrated graphics card. The dedicated graphics card will have a longer and more specific name than the integrated one. The dedicated graphics card may also have a higher memory size listed. So make sure to run the game with a higher memory size to avoid loading or crashing issue. Method 10. Check for conflicting software. Sometimes the apps running in the background can interfere with your game and create problems like this. So before you start the game, close all the programs running in the background. Right-click on the Windows Start button and select your Task Manager. Now go to the Processes tab and right-click on the processes you want to close. Select the End Task option. Repeat the same for each task you want to kill. Then exit the window. You should make sure to close any background applications that might interfere, such as AutoHotkey, Razor Synapse, or other overlays. Method 11. Try a new user account. Create a new local user account on your PC and attempt to launch the game from there. To do this, go to your Windows settings, navigate to Accounts, and then under Family, then select Add Someone. Choose the option to add a user without a Microsoft account. Set up a username and password and then sign into this new account. Once you have logged in, try launching EA Sports FC 26 again. If the game runs smoothly, it's likely the issue was tied to your original user profile and you can continue using your new account. Method 12. Reinstall the game. Press Windows plus I to open Settings. Now open Apps and then head to Installed Apps. Click on the three dots menu next to the game. Click on the Uninstall button. Follow as shown to uninstall the game. Once the uninstall process completes, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, reinstall the game and check if this helps. And that's how you fix the FC26 shortcut launch bug. If the game is finally booting up like it should, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick, clear fixes. Still stuck? Drop your setup details in the comments. We will troubleshoot together. Thanks for watching Silicophilic, where your tech headaches meet their match. See you in the next one.